Hello everyone, I'm Neha Bhardwaj. I'm student of 9th standard at BPI International School. I'm here with a motivational story. This is a story of two children who were living in a village. They were bosom friends. They played together, they studied together, they eat together. Almost time they spent together. They were like Jay and Viru of Sholay. One of them was 6 years old and another 10 years old. One day they went away playing outside. While playing, the elder one fell into the well and he started crying because he didn't know how to swim. Then the younger one looked here and there so that he can call anyone who can help them. But nobody was there. Then he saw a bucket tied with a rope. Without wasting a single second, he threw that bucket into the well and said to his friend, "Catch it." Now he pulled the rope with his full energy. He kept pulling and didn't stop until he saved his friend. Then story doesn't end here. Then his friend came outside. They hugged each other. They were happy, but they were afraid because they thought if we will go to home and told everything to our parents. Now they went to their home and told everything to their parents and to the villagers. But no one believed them. The villagers said, "He's a boy of 6 years old and he can't pick up a bucket filled with the water, so how can he do this?" But one of the villagers believed them. People called him Rahim Chacha. He was very educated, one of the oldest person in the village. Then the villagers said, if Rahim Chacha is saying, so it would be definitely true because he never tells a lie. Then villagers went together to Rahim Chacha and said, "Rahim Chacha, we are not getting what the children are telling. Then you please make us understand. What is it actually?" And Rahim Chacha said, "But I need to tell. The children are telling everything that he threw that bucket in the water and he pulled the rope with his full energy and he saved his friend. So what I need to tell?" Then people looked surprisingly at Rahim Chacha and said, "Rahim Chacha, our question is, how did he do this?" Then Rahim Chacha said, "Only answer for this question. Only one answer." So guys, do you know what was the answer? The answer was that he said there was no one who can tell them that you cannot do this. So friends, you all know that what message comes from this story. Whenever we do anything without fear of losing, we definitely